In Africa, poaching wild animals is a big business. Giles is in northern Kenya at Old Pajeta Conservancy to find out what measures are being put in place to protect wildlife. Giles is at the Dog Patrol Unit, meeting Diego, the only dog that fulfills 3 roles: searching, tracking, and assaulting poachers.
You'll release the dog and he'll bring them down to the ground and hold them till you guys get there.
Diego does daily training sessions with rangers, which means he's always ready to be deployed.
Do you want to have a suit?
For me to be involved in a demonstration and be bitten by Diego.
Yes.
Alrighty. Yep, I'll give it a go. I've sort of unknowingly volunteered now to be this poacher decoy, where Diego's going to show us what he's made of, using me as the live bait, so to speak.
At 30 kilograms of pure muscle and teeth, Diego easily takes down fully grown men.
I'd be lying if I said I'm not a little bit nervous. I've played with a lot of big cats, but this is a whole different scenario. He won't kill me, but he might break my arm. Stand firm. Okay, so I don't fall over. He looked impressive before I was in this suit, so he seems twice the size.
Diego can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour and packs a powerful bite. Giles is about to experience the sharp end of conservation.
It's just incredible. He hit me like a truck. Good boy. That's intense. There's no way you would want to be a poacher around here. Imagine him just hanging onto your bare arm, your leg. Doesn't bear thinking about. The rangers and the dogs together, such a formidable team.